Damn.
Small kayo, Walmart?
Why are we going to Walmart?
Ibila ko ng mga, wala na tayong plato sa lakwan.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go, let's go.
I don't want to go to Walmart. We just went to Target.
Kasi mama nyo eh.
I'll just stay here. Yeah. Can't you just go, Mom? Yeah, nothing's wrong.